Hi everyone, in this tutorial we are going to create paper animations like this. So to create these type of animations, I have this picture and this is without background. If your image has background, you can remove it using this website. Here after uploading the image, the background of your image will be removed. To create paper animations, search for paper animator. Open this website, click on this button, drag your image into this website. Here you can turn on this green screen effect, and here you can also change the size of the screen. Here you can customize these settings. After customizing all of the settings, click here on export. As you can see, the video has been ready.